Hey guys, today's video is going to be my March Sephora Play unbagging. Do you guys like my sweatshirt? If you like it, you should head on over to my Poshmark because I'm selling this and a bunch of t-shirts over there. I have all kinds of different colors, sizes. I can do like custom requests if you want like a particular color combination or size. I'll link that down below. The theme for this month is Beauty in Bloom. All right, first thing is from Amika. This is the Perk Up Dry Shampoo. Ugh, someday I'll do my nails. Actually, tonight's the night. I'm doing my nails, finally. Okay, Amika. Perk Up Dry Shampoo. Spring is in the hair. Ha 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 ha. Okay, I just saw something I'm excited for. This is an oil absorbing spray that instantly refreshes hair and adds volume. I'm always looking for new dry shampoos to try out. Because hashtag mom life. Next is something from NARS. This is bronzing powder in Laguna. Okay, this is a very popular little guy right here. It's a buildable powder bronzer that delivers a radiant look with a soft, shimmering finish. I'm not really a bronzer person, so I'm probably gonna give this away to someone. Oh, look how cute it is! But yeah, Laguna's like one of their, I'm not gonna like open it, but that's what it looks like. Laguna's like one of their most popular bronzers, I'm pretty sure. I've just heard a shit ton of people talk about it, so I'm assuming that it is. Something from, what is this? Sephora. Ooh, this is a mascara. This is the Lash Craft. Where is it? Right here. Sephora Collection Lash Craft. Oh, yeah, I can't talk. It's Friday. I'm just ready for the weekend. Once again, Lash Craft Big Volume Mascara. A full volume mascara that coats lashes in a saturated black shade. I'll definitely do a Mascara Monday episode on this guy. What is this? Something from Makeup Forever. Ooh, we got nice brands in this bag. This is the Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation in Y245. I think that's my shade. Or 235 is my shade. That's what it looks like. Excited for this. It's something from, I can get it out. It Cosmetics, one of my favorite brands ever. I freaking love It Cosmetics. I've been a fan of them since 2014, okay? Back before they became popular on YouTube, they reached out to me and they sent me, like Jamie herself, the owner, reached out to me and sent me brushes. They were like premiering them on QVC. Yeah, she sent me her brushes. And then the company blew up and they forgot about me. So I still love them though. Okay, so this is the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cleanser. It is a transforming, hydrating, cleansing serum, a one-step cleanser that hydrates skin and leaves it soft and refreshed. I'm so excited to try this. Okay, and this month's bonus is a perfume sample by, So I got a perfume sample by this brand. I think the brand is called Replica. Or no, Mason Margiela, I don't know. I got a perfume sample from this brand in a Sephora order that I placed recently and I totally read the name of it wrong. You guys probably laughed at me. This is the Replica perfume by the Fire. Reproduction of familiar scents and moments of varying locations and periods. Burning wood and chestnut. Ooh, I'm not gonna like that. I don't like manly scents. So my thoughts on this bag, I really, really like it. I am super excited to try this It Cosmetics cleanser. I'm pretty sure this foundation is gonna match me. I'm excited for that. Another dry shampoo, yes, yes, yes. Super excited for this mascara. What else did we have? And the bronzer, you know, I'm not a bronzer person, so I'm gonna give this away. But I do really, really like this bag. I think this was a great bag this month. It was totally worth $10. If you guys are interested in signing up for Sephora Play, I will have a link down below. Again, I'll link my Poshmark if you guys wanna purchase one of these, like this shirt. I have a bunch of t-shirts, they're super cute. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.